If we command our wealth, we shall be rich and free. If our wealth commands us, we are poor indeed. Irish philosopher and statesman Edmund Burke is said to have said, "We are truly impoverished if our fortune controls us." This is especially true in the world we live in now, where money is seen as the ultimate sign of success. Welcome to Financial Fluence. In this video, I'll teach you the hidden secrets of money. Let's now get going. Number 1. Money is earned through crisis. Warren Buffett, a Wall Street legend and Forbes top billionaire, once said that the key to success on Wall Street is to be greedy when others are scared and afraid when others are greedy. This advice is not just for investing, because smart people can see opportunities and make a lot of money when things go wrong. Why? Because some demands are amplified, increasing demand while decreasing prices. How do people make money when everything is shut down, real estate is performing poorly, and stocks have tanked? During this period, the wealthy purchase assets, restructure loans, and increase liquidity. In a typical economic context, if someone bargains to purchase a house worth $1 million for $750,000, the seller may just agree. Why? Because no one wants to buy real estate amid a crisis. Because demand is low, the buyer has more negotiating power. If the same buyer holds the house for around 2 years, he will almost certainly profit from capital gains after the economy returns. Trouble in the economy doesn't last forever, and it often gives you the best chance to increase your net worth. So save some money and invest smartly when the next one hits. Number 2. Money is a game of exchange. Some people are wealthy, while others are prosperous. Despite the fact that there may not appear to be much of a difference, you make money when you exchange your time and labor for money. In other words, you are compensated for 1 hour of effort. Making money entails making a one-time investment of your time, effort, and ingenuity, and then reaping the advantages indefinitely. For example, imagine creating a new product and being paid every time it sells. Nonetheless, in order for you to earn money, it must originate from somewhere. Number 3. Money attracts money. This could be one of the most important money regulations of the 21st century. Have you ever pondered why the rich only have rich friends? It's not because they don't want to hang out with poor people, but because their socio-economic situation attracts only individuals in the same financial class. If you hang out with wealthy people, you will slowly learn their ways, pick up their habits, and eventually become like them. These folks understand how to create money, live lifestyles that boost their wealth, and are always surrounded by possibilities. Number 4. Money is easy to get and harder to maintain. Many people make money quickly but are unable to keep it. Let me explain the big syndrome in more detail. Assume a real estate salesperson sells a $6 million home and gets $200,000 each month. For the next few months, he begins to live as if he makes that much money every month, despite the fact that he only makes approximately $17,000 per month. Most people overreact when a few zeros arrive in their bank account. They spend the money instead of prudently investing it to double it, unaware that the increase is just temporary. Number 5. Money loves secrecy. Money works best when it is kept secret. The rule is to always have a private account that only you know about. Never reveal everything about your finances. Always maintain some level of confidentiality. What is the significance of this? People who are aware of your financial situation are more likely to take advantage of you. However, keeping it a secret might be a lifesaver in an emergency. Anything can happen at any time, and you may require cash. Number 6. Money hates stagnation. I know, it seems ridiculous, but it's true. Money enjoys being moved from one location to another. When money becomes boring, it becomes unproductive and may even depart, resulting in losses. But let us go a little deeper into this. For example, if you keep putting money into a business that isn't making you any money, it will eventually become stale, and you'll only lose money. The same holds true for income diversification. Money enjoys being invested in many ventures. Number 7. Money loves risk takers. The truth is that as you become older, you become less willing to take risks. For example, a 23-year-old may be able to invest in more risky opportunities than a 70-year-old. At that age, your risk tolerance is unquestionably lower than it was when you were younger. Money rewards risk takers, and if you plan on staying safe your entire life, you may not make it. Great opportunities often come with great risk. So, while you're young, make prudent investments and take cautious chances in all you do. And before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button and turn on the notification bell to be notified every time a new video is uploaded. Let's return to the video now. Number 8. Money hates spendthrifts. What occurs if a sugar jar is empty but not filled? It will ultimately be empty. Similar to this, if money is constantly spent, its value will never increase. Every dollar that is wasted ought to be replaced, if not doubled. Most of the rich who can afford to live extravagant lifestyles have infrastructure in place to replace the resources they use. Number 9. Money loves authenticity. Play by your own rules when it comes to money. Ideas that are unique and innovative will always find a market. Even if commerce has a terrible lack of imagination, it sells, and organizations frequently default to what they offer rather than what they stand for. When you're an entrepreneur, you often have to go against the norm and fight hard for an idea you believe in. Number 10. Money loves to be controlled. To be totally honest, money is like being managed. Never let your money get out of hand. Otherwise, problems will arise. Keep track of the amount in each bank account, as well as the amount that is typically spent on expenses. If you don't manage your money, it will rule you. If you don't establish a monthly spending cap, your finances will decide for you what you can and cannot purchase. Your finances will have power over you if you don't have control over them, which could result in debt. Number 11. Money can never be the problem and/or the solution. If money is an issue, it is clearly not the solution. This is where folks go wrong. Because they don't have enough money, they think that getting more money will solve their problems. So, what comes next? They become trapped in a loop of accruing more and more debt that they cannot afford. Instead of borrowing additional money to solve your current financial troubles, why not look for alternative sources of income? Number 12. Money doesn't change people. Most of you will undoubtedly disagree with this statement, yet it is true. Money and success will not alter you. They will just highlight what you already have. Someone who suddenly becomes proud and arrogant after becoming wealthy has always been proud and arrogant since money only allows them to be their genuine selves. Number 13. If you think money will make you happy, then you are broke. According to Benjamin Franklin, one of the founding fathers of the United States, money can never make you happy, but the things you can do with it will. It doesn't fill a void, it creates one. Nothing about it is designed to bring about happiness. Men tend to want more of what they have. Some people think that happiness is a choice and that material prosperity has little to do with acquiring it. They think that money is the sixth sense and that its only role in our lives is to enable us to purchase everything that will make us happy. Number 14. Let money work for you. If you pay close attention, one significant difference between the two groups will stand out to you. The wealthy make money work for them, while the poor work for the money. A wealthy person will focus on strategy while employing the best minds to run his business, as opposed to a poor person who will spend all of his time working for the wealthy. Rich people can make money even when they are not working because they have multiple streams of passive income. But poor people must work to make ends meet and run the danger of being hungry if they are not paid. The differences are undoubtedly clear. And that's all. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoy similar stuff, check out my other videos. And if you like it, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. And I'll see you in the next video.